Friday, August 16th, and Dad is having a little
just touching up his
paint job.
His paint job.
Okay, so Dad started this yesterday, did some taping off, and now he's just putting in some new black paint here. Might do the odd touch up on the yellow paint if he sees anything, but it's a Friday. The dogs are all relaxed here. They just had some treats. Oh, well, they just had treats again. They have the whole Pavlov's dog syndrome. They see me and they instantly go into treat mode. But Dad said did a little cleaning here to make sure all the leaves and the bird shit and whatnot was off everything here. And he's got the one side done here already. And I was bugging him for the last couple of weeks. He wanted to make sure it's done. And he's got some touch up he's going to do on this side here now. This customer is coming back to pick up their machine here next week. And then we might actually get another job coming in rolling into the shop. We still haven't received those photos from that customer.
Ducks have been here this morning already.
Okay.
They wrecked the starter on the airboat.
Okay, well, so
they're gone to get one.
Okay, so Ducks is coming back with their equipment again. There's not anybody really repairing airboats around here except for Dad, so their only other option maybe to load everything up and take it down to likely Florida or something. So, yeah, Dad's just doing a little bit of cleanup here. Did some repair to the shop chairs because they were in need of some service.
I splattered some paint on there.
Okay. So, yeah, that's what Dad's up to here today. He's just
the girls came out and they got potatoes and beets and carrots.
Good.
And
so we're gonna have fresh veggies here.
Cucumbers.
Yeah. So, yeah, that is what Dad's up here today. Hopefully you guys see this video soon. I haven't really posted any videos in the last 2-3 weeks just because...
Show you, well, you got the camera going there.
Sure, yeah, I'll bring...
Around the corner.
Okay.
We got... our buddy from Clearwater Lake owns these two.
Yeah. You started this one up last night and showed me?
This wouldn't start.
Yeah.
So anyway, I took the carburetor off. Whoop.
Runs now. Dad had it running for us last night on yesterday's video. Okay.
If you want to turn it, you go like this, and reverse.
Okay. There you go.
And then I took the carburetor off of this one. Give it 3 or 4 presses.
There you go.
Clean gas
Yeah, that was the trick.
is the main thing. And clean the carburetor. So that's done.
Okay, so there we go. This airboat's back in the yard. What were you saying was wrong with it?
Well, I think what they've done is they had the motor running,
Mm-hmm.
and then they turned the key and started the starter and broke it because the starter got hooked in the ring gear, right?
Yeah.
So now I got to take that off, take all the wiring off, put a new starter on.
Okay.
So we got the temperature running where it's supposed to.
Okay. So do you need a new starter or just
Yes,
a...
they're bringing one.
Okay. Anyways, we got all the dogs here. There's Filipino Emily and Charles in charge and Nina Pinta Santa Maria, the little one here. And Daisy Puckatawagan Garbage Dog got into a skunk the other day and stinks to high hell. But that's part of our Puckatawagan heritage, hey? You got into the skunk, now you got to stay outside. Kitty's up here guarding as usual.
They're not allowed in
Okay,
in
in the office.
coffee room now.
Okay,
And the girls are going to give us a Chesterfield for
yeah,
Charlie.
perfect.
And they got a lawnmower for me and whatever.
Okay, well, good.
So I told them, well, I don't want it for nothing, I'll buy it. And they said, well, they think that they've already got enough for nothing
Okay,
to be even. Eh?
yeah. Okay, so there you go, guys. Quick update what Dad's working on, and we'll see you on the next video.